Are you here? You're on deck. But right now, it's time for I'm sorry, I said it right the first time, and I don't know how to say it now. Amaziyah?
Yes.
The Great. Clap now!
Thank you very much. Actually, it's my second time here at AS220. And I have to say, it's actually 1 year now since January last year, the 5th, I was here on this stage. Thanks to Miss Lori from Pawtucket Poetry. She was the one who sent me here. Now, this one I'm going to drop real quick. It's called Sick, and I'm going to do real quick. I am sick. No jokes. Pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promotes me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for ProvSlam, some of you people would never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. A Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who are you arguing? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news and fake information. Some sick and confused fake education. Amaziyah the great views. Nafisata, we're living among a sick generation. Next one I'm going to drop real quick, it's called Crowning. And this one is for the ladies. After seductively seducing her with a selection of my poetry, her desires were to get her kitty scold. Ecstasy unfold. I gave her standing ovation when pretty kitty was exposed. I was told to beat it like a drummer. I banged that kitty bold. She got the niceness, the tightness, the right grip, the kitty hole. I'll make it rain, I'll make it hot. She disliked when the kitty cold. So I blazed up the speedometer as I drove her on a kitty road. In my thoughts, if this is a cost, I'm willing to pay that kitty toll. I'm still digging her treasures as if I'm searching for kitty gold. She's screaming while she's creaming. I made that kitty foam. She's attacking. She's not stopping. She deserved that kitty crown. After taking me to the 4th round in her kitty zone, I had to confess, honey, I love that kitty hole. I'm about to explode. Never keep that kitty closed. I call you my queen as the kitty sitteth on my throne. Thank you very much. Do check out the Pawtucket Poetry 4th anniversary at Atrium on Main on the 20th of January. Tell them precisely, check my book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Follow me on Instagram at Precisely Great. Blessings and respect. Give thanks.
Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for advertising Pawtucket Poetry. We love to hear about different poetry scenes in Rhode Island, so check them out. Thank you again. Amani, are you